Every decade produces a new category of financial fraud. In 2015, it was biotech. The Ranos raised $900 million before the fraud became undeniable. In 2021, it was crypto. Right now, in 2026, a new category has taken their place, one that is harder to spot because the technology it sells is completely real. AI income tools, systems, and courses generated over $4 billion in revenue in 2025 alone. The tools are real. The income potential is real. What is not real is the claim that most buyers will achieve the promised results. The failure rate, buyers who invested time and money without reaching the target, is almost never published. Chapter card, the pitch, full screen dark title transition. Here is how the pitch works. A creator builds an audience by showing AI income screenshots. $10,000 this month, $14,000 last month. Those screenshots are often real. They represent the creator's actual earnings. What they never show is that the income came primarily from selling the course, not from the AI system described inside it. The legitimizing signals are carefully assembled. Real student testimonials anchor the sales page. A money-back guarantee creates the appearance of low risk. Income disclaimers appear in fine print. The technology demonstrated is functional. None of these signals confirm that the promised outcome is achievable for the average buyer who purchases today. Every AI passive income program makes three core claims. The tools automate the work. The system runs without daily input. The income scales automatically. Each of these claims is technically defensible. Each omits a qualification that changes its meaning entirely for the buyer. Chapter card, the promise. Full screen title transition. What the pitch omits, the average setup time for a single AI income source is 40 to 60 hours, not the 4 shown in the demo. Ongoing maintenance averages 12 hours per month per active income stream, and the failure rate, buyers who invested time and money without reaching the promised income level, runs above 60% across independently tracked cohorts. The revenue model of most AI income programs is not what buyers assume. The primary income source for the seller is the course itself, not the AI strategy it teaches. High revenue months coincide with launch windows and affiliate promotions, not with the AI system generating organic results independently in the background. Chapter card, 5 red flags. Thumbnail hero beat. Full screen alert card. Red flag 01 number card. Income screenshots without timestamps. Income proof without timestamps. When a seller shows screenshots of AI income with no visible dates, you cannot verify when it was earned, how long it took, or whether the conditions that produced it still exist today. Legitimate earners show dated, ongoing records, not a single best screenshot cherry-picked from 2 years of inconsistent results. Red flag 02 number card, done for you claims. Done for you claims. No AI income stream currently operates without human judgment, niche refinement, and regular iteration. AI is a productivity multiplier, not a replacement for decision making. Any program claiming you can configure it once and earn indefinitely is describing a version of the technology that does not currently exist in any verifiable commercial form. Red flag 03 number card, no published success rate. No published completion or success rate. A legitimate income program tracks what percentage of students reach the stated income target. If a seller has never published that number or claims it cannot be measured, the missing data is the answer. Programs with strong outcomes publish them. Programs with poor outcomes publish nothing. Red flag 04 number card, hidden total cost of ownership. Hidden total cost of ownership. A course priced at $300 that requires a $600 monthly software stack to function as described is not a $300 investment. Always calculate total cost of ownership, course price, required tools, upgrade paths, your time at a real hourly rate, before evaluating any stated ROI. Sellers almost never present this number. Red flag 05 number card, manufactured scarcity. Manufactured urgency. Enrollment closes in 12 hours. Only 6 spots remain at this price. Legitimate AI income systems are not capacity constrained. There is no operational reason to limit enrollment unless the real product being sold is the urgency itself. Artificial scarcity is the high-pressure closing mechanism of every conversion-optimized pitch since the 1990s. Chapter card exposed. Full screen title transition before aftermath. The outcome pattern for buyers who skip due diligence follows a predictable arc. Month 1, initial momentum. Month 3, plateau. Month 5, the advanced tier upsell appears. Month 7, exit. Total spend averages $1,500 to $4,000. Median income generated by buyers who exit before month 9, under $300. The meta pattern is more damaging than any single program. Buyers cycle through multiple courses, each new purchase justified by the belief that the previous failure was a tool problem, not a structural problem. The tools are always real. The structural problem is a promised outcome that was statistically unavailable to most buyers from the beginning. Chapter card, the real path. Pivot to legitimate AI income. Legitimate AI income has 3 characteristics. The income mechanism has public, verifiable comparable examples, not just testimonials from the seller. The timeline to meaningful return is measured in months, not days, and the system requires ongoing human input, not passive set and forget operation. No legitimate AI income source contradicts all 3 characteristics at once. The highest verified AI income categories right now: AI-assisted content businesses generating ad and sponsorship revenue, AI workflow consulting for small businesses, AI-enhanced digital products with genuine market demand, and prompt engineering services for organizations that cannot yet hire full AI staff. Everyone has documented comparable examples publicly available. None promise 30-day passive results. Before paying for any AI income program, run this 5-question audit. Does the seller publish verified success rates? Are income screenshots stated? Is total cost of ownership fully disclosed? Does the system acknowledge ongoing human input? And is there no manufactured urgency? If any answer is no, that is the signal you needed before spending $1. Protect your capital by treating your first 90 days as learning, not purchasing. Build one small thing. See if anyone pays for it. Learn from that signal before investing more. The fraud works because buyers want the shortcut to be real. The shortcut is not real. The process always is. Subscribe to mofmoney for AI income strategies built on verifiable data. Every claim backed, every number sourced. New video every week.